Hi guys, this is your pal EMD-SC14R. It's officially 11:23 p.m. on April the 10th, 2021, and this is New Trains Part 52. That's right, New Trains Part 52 is pretty much about freight cars and more freight cars. Um, let's see, where should I get started? I guess I'll get started back here. This is you guys saw this car in a previous video. This is a ex-Banger and a Roostuck double door box car. It's from the Athearn Roundhouse line. And I, bought this from Nicholas Smith Trains, and I heavily weathered it. Actually came out great. I like this car. It's got to be one of my top favorites now because of all the weathering that I did. Which I'm really happy about. And then the next car is this Yankeetown Thrall coal hopper. I sublettered it for the ER&W, as you guys can see. It just came off the track. But yeah, I got that from Nicholas Smith. And then this is my Norfolk Southern wood chip hopper. My mom got this for me from Stroudsburg. Then we have the 4-bay Clinchfield hopper. I got that from Nicholas Smith. No, this came from Stroudsburg as well. Sublettered it for the ER&W. Then these three Thrall hoppers are now sublettered for ER&W. These came from Nicholas Smith. It's a Athearn 3-pack set. Very good cars, by the way. I'm very pleased with them. I like them. I'm pretty happy with them. One car I'll throw in here. It's not new, but well, it's an old car, but I redid the work on it. So I weathered this one, this Walthers coal gondola here. And it came out really good. I'm really pleased with it. Really pleased with the work. With that car. Now we're gonna get into the mixed variety here. So mostly cement hoppers with a tank car and a couple ballast hoppers and some other types of hoppers. So let's get started with the one in the back here. This is a, I believe this is a Trinity hopper. I actually lettered it for the ER&W Railroad. This is a Walthers car. And it actually came out really, really great. I want to get more of these. Because I'm trying to get my cement hopper fleet together, guys, and I've just been really focusing on getting coal hoppers and cement hoppers. I really haven't been focusing on anything else recently, so that's what I've been mostly focusing on. And then the cars back here, I have to put them close to the other cars so that they don't roll away. These just came in the mail, I think, yesterday or the day before. These are the Cotto hoppers. So these are the Cotto hopper kits that you can get. Guys, I'm gonna be honest here. These Cotto kits are so underrated. Like, you can get 3 cars for like under 40 bucks. Like, I pay like 30 bucks for these cars. And they come with metal wheels on them. These came with KD couplers. Of course, that's not standard with the kit, but these were already put together. I had to glue some sections on because these kits are technically snap and play. Basically, all the pieces snap in place and you can just run the car. Me, on the other hand, I like gluing those pieces in because over time the plastic will start to change and they will actually, there's a potential that those parts would actually fall off. So if you're looking at the cars here, these are all former Great Northern cars, and they're all different. And one of the things I like about my railroad is I gotta have variety. So if you look at the cars, you can see how I did the faded mountain goat and the lettering. If I can get this thing to focus, I did the faded lettering. Basically, you just take one of these modeling Q-tips and you just dip it in 70% isopropylene alcohol, and you gradually rub the printed letters off. Yeah, the harder you rub, the more of the letters come off, but if you don't rub them completely off, this is the effect that you can get on the cars, which is cool. And I was going for that look anyway. This one I just took the mountain goat off. I left the Great Northern intact, and I just put ER&W right there. The last one here, different style logos. So if you look at the two, that ER&W has the tail. This one doesn't have the tail. Yeah, they came out really great. I'm really happy that I ended up buying these cars, because I actually had a set of these before, and if you guys saw that video, I think it was a couple years ago, when I sold a large portion of my collection. Those cars, those Cotto cars, were included in that sale, and yeah, kind of regretted getting rid of those cars because I could have had more cement hoppers, but you know, yeah, uh, yeah. This car came with the Great Northern hoppers in the back. That's actually a painted patch that I did. So that's my first painted patch. I used Tananami white for this, and I think it came out great. Not all patch jobs are perfect, guys. Sometimes they just take a roller or a couple paint brushes and they just slap it on the car and put the logo on top, and then that's what the car looks like in service. So I did something similar with that. I still got to put the semi-gloss coat on all those cars in the back there. Oh, these cars, along with this one, I have one of these, it's an older one, came from trains on eBay. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one came from eBay. Moving on to the next cement hopper. This is a Southern Pacific one. I was going to subletter it for ER&W, but I was looking at this car, like, even in the store before I bought it, I was looking at this car, I'm like, I never seen a gray, yellow lettered Southern Pacific ballast hopper before. So, and this is an Atlas car, and I want to know, is this a rare car, guys? It's like, because I haven't seen any of these before. All I did was put the whisker couplers on it. It was already, you know, it has metal wheels and everything. And then my mom got this from me from Stroudsburg. This is a Hooker double dome tank car. And it's designed to carry caustic, what's that called? Caustic soda? Is that some type of acid or something? I don't know, but I picked this up. I liked it, so my mom got it for me. And I just need to add metal wheels and couplers to it. You guys have saw this car before. This is actually the EB Valley's kit that I put together, and it's a custom Elegant, Julian, and Eastern Heritage ballast hopper. I got in some freight car data sheets, or data decals in, and I just put them on the car today, and the car is officially finished as far as decaling is concerned. I still got to put the semi-gloss coat on it, but it looks really, really good. Like, I'm impressed with how this car came out. Like, this was a complex kit to build, guys. Like, it wasn't easy to build this car. Matter of fact, when I bought this car, I didn't even touch it for like a couple months to almost a year, maybe. I didn't touch that car at all because I just didn't had the confidence to build the kit. But, you know, thank God I got the confidence, and there's the result. That's the first car that I've fully built and decaled custom from scratch right there. Right there. I'm pretty impressed right there. Um, Next car I got is a Walthers ballast hopper. And this is an ex Santa Fe car. I did a similar weathering technique to the Cotto cars on this car. Well, I did this car first and then use that technique on the Cotto cars. Subloaded for the ER&W. Um, $10 at Nicholas Smith. Not a bad price. And then I got the second Cisco hybrid sunflower car. So I have one of the older Athearn ones. This is one of the first runs of the Athearn Ready to Roll because they still use those metal coupler tabs right there to hold the coupler on, but they just added metal wheels, so they're still using the original blue box design with this version of the RTR. But I liked it. I didn't think I would actually see another one of those cars for sale, so I picked it up, and this came from Train, so I picked it up. And then this is my custom 18-wheeler. This tractor was like 20 bucks, guys. And I thought it was die cast like the Walthers ones, but it's plastic. And that disappointed me. I'm still a little disappointed that these are plastic and not die cast, but I mean they're nice, but plastic. But as you can see, I sublettered the trailer, or I lettered the trailer for ER&W, both sides, and I did the same thing with the truck. So, I like old trucks. I like them. And then finally, got myself another fire truck. So it's going to be joining the ER&W Fire Task Force. Another 4x4 International. I like these international trucks, guys. And these are the Walthers trucks. And the cool thing is, they are made out of die cast. Die cast cabs. This is plastic, obviously. But the way that they're designed is durability. So that's another reason why I'm buying them. What else? I guess I'll give it a sneak peek. This is my project here. This is my M420 AC, so it's basically the AC version of the M420. Mostly everything is done to the unit. I just need to get it decaled and painted. I have all the decals in. I have the primer, and I have some of the paint left, but I need to get more of the paint. And as soon as I get more of the paint, that engine will be completed. Oh, wait, no. It won't be completed until I get a proper airbrush and air compressor, because someone in one of my model railroad forums told me that to get the best results, preferably is to use a airbrush with a compressor instead of one that has a propellant like the one I currently have. And I was thinking about it. I'm like, you know what? If I'm gonna paint that engine right, I need a consistent airflow and pressure to make sure that the paint evens out, because this loses pressure eventually. And even while you're using it, it gradually decreases. So I gotta find out about that. I know Hobby Lobby sells them. I might get one next week. We'll see. But enough of my rambling, guys. But that's what I've been up to. I've been just buying freight cars, and that's about it. I'm looking for a donor Jeep 38 shell, but I haven't come across one yet. And I haven't seen any undecorated ones. So if I see an undecorated Jeep 38, I'm going to snatch it up just because I need to get my last SDL 38 completed. This is the last chassis for my fourth SDL 38, and it's just sitting here. So I just need to get this done. Then the SDL 38 roster will be completed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later. Bye. Bye, y'all.